Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you're all well. Please like, share, and comment which country you're watching from. Share this video on your social media so it can help more people. Thank you. On this occasion, I will make an inner lining for a crochet bag. We measure the bag. The length is 25 centimeters. Then we add 4 centimeters. Because we add extra allowance. 2 centimeters on the right side and 2 centimeters on the left side. So the total length is 29 centimeters. For the height, we measure down to the base. The height is 17 centimeters, then we add 2 centimeters, so the total height is 19 centimeters. This has already been cut. I am using lining fabric. The length is 29 centimeters, and the height is 19 centimeters. This is for the inner pocket. The length is 17 centimeters and the height is 15 centimeters. This is the zipper slider. And for the zipper, the size is adjusted to match the fabric. I am using fusible interfacing. This will be used for the inner pocket. On the interfacing fabric, we draw like this. For the inner pocket, we make it the same size. The length is 17 centimeters, so we draw 17 centimeters. To make it centered, we subtract 17 centimeters, so the remaining length is 12 centimeters. We divide it into two, 6 centimeters on the right side and 6 centimeters on the left side, so the size is even. And this is how we do it. Then we draw a line with a length of 17 centimeters. Then we reduce it. We reduce it by 1.5 centimeters. Then we draw it like this. Then we cut it. We fold it first like this. Then we cut it. Then we cut the other side. Next, for the middle part. Then we fold it like this. For the zipper, we mark 1.5 centimeters as a guide. Then we attach pins like this. Then we turn it over. For the other pocket, we attach it like this. Then we sew it. Do not forget the zipper slider. This has been sewn. Then we remove it. Then we attach the zipper slider. Like this. Then we attach it again. Then we sew it. This has been sewn. The right and left sides have also been sewn. Next, we will sew the long zipper like this. Then we sew it on the right and left sides. And this is the result. Then we attach it like this. You can sew it by hand or using a sewing machine. This is the final result and it is finished. Please subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss new videos from the SDC channel. Happy crocheting, and thank you for watching.